दोस्तों आप सभी का वेलकम है पीएस क्लासेस में। दोस्तों मैं सीटेट इंग्लिश पेडागोजी टेस्ट सीरीज 8 लेकर के प्रेजेंट हो गया हूं। दोस्तों अगर आप पहली बार मेरे चैनल को विजिट कर रहे हैं तो लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा और ज्यादा से ज्यादा लोगों में शेयर कर दीजिएगा। सबसे पहले वीडियो पाने के लिए राइट साइड में बेल आइकन के बटन को दबा दीजिएगा। दोस्तों आज का टारगेट है 500 लाइक्स एंड 500 सब्सक्राइब। चलिए दोस्तों बात करते हैं। पहला क्वेश्चन ये रहा आपकी स्क्रीन पे। इन कंप्यूटर ऑडियो इंस्ट्रक्शन CAI द स्टिमुलेशन मोड इज वेयर लर्नर्स गेट प्रॉब्लम विच आर सॉल्व बाय द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रायल एंड एरर। B experience real life system and the phenomena and C receive the bits of information followed by the question with the immediate feedback and D a series of exercises with the repetition practice. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. The option B is goes to correct. Experience real life system and phenomena. The next question is that the learning experiences that offer a vicarious experience to learners are field trips, observation, real objects and specimens, abstract words, case study, display, words, film clips. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. The option D is goes to correct. Display, boards, film clips. The next question is that curriculum development follows the following sequence. A. Formulation of objective, assessment of needs, evaluation, selection of text learning experiences. B. Formulation of objective, assessment of needs, selection of text learning experiences, evaluation. C. Selection of the text learning experiences, assessment of need, formulation of objectives, evaluation. And D. Assessment of needs, formulation of objective, selection of text learning experiences and evaluation. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. Which option is goes to correct? The option D is correct. Assessment of needs, formulation of objective, selection of the text learning experiences, evaluation. The next question is that assessing reading at class 7 can be done most effectively through writing a 50 words book text review as a small project. B. Spoken quiz based on the meaning of the words and expression. And C. Written test based the characters and events in the story text. And D. An oral interview to find out how much they have read. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. Which option is goes to correct? The option A is correct. Writing a 50 words book text review as a small project. The next question is that to inculcate a never give up attitude, a suitable activity is the one when students manage to get the principal's permission to go out and play during the English period. B. Sang 2 popular songs and exhibited some of their art and craft works during parent teachers meet. And C. Made modification to their papers plans and tested them again, experimented with the best. And D. In group created graphs about the difficult situation that students have had to face in life. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. The option C is correct. Made modification to their paper plans and tested them again, experimented with the best way to get them to go the distance and share their finding. The next question is that one of the challenge of behaviors management in senior class is teacher lack of self-confidence, student readiness to use the smart board and students lack of self-study skill. D. Teachers preference to conduct group rather than individual work. Tell me guys which option is goes to correct. Option A is correct. Teacher lack of self-confidence. The next question is that a special needs language classroom is ideally has extra teachers to help regular teachers, exclusively furnished. C. Located separate. And D. Integrates all type of learners. Tell me guys, which option is correct? The option D goes to correct. Integrate all types of learner. The next question is that the humanistic approach is specifically tuned to the process where sequence is taught along with how to present the related contents. B. Mastery of academic disciplines with all their characteristic features. And C. Application of learned structure, content, concept and principles to new situation. And D. Processes that enable students to discover structure for themselves. Tell me which option is goes to correct. Tell me which option is goes to correct. Which option is goes to correct? The D option is correct. Process that enable students to discover structure for themselves. The next question is that the bottom-up model of curriculum is one where a need-based distance education with indirect influence on a student. B. Learning is based on a set of software to make curriculum more learners friendly. And C. The curriculum that always freedom for student mobility with increased choice of curricular activities and encourage learning by doing. And D. The learning process is geared towards career orientation. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The option C is absolutely right. The curriculum that allows freedom for the student mobility with increased choice of curriculum activities and encourage learning by doing. The next question is that Noam Chomsky refers to keep structure means universal grammar underlying all language and corresponding to an innate capacity of the human brain. B. Hidden set of grammatical rules learned through intensive study. C. Transformational grammar that has led turn to increase interest in comparative linguistics. And D. A trend that English is most common auxiliary language in the world. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? The option A is correct. Universal grammar underlying all language and corresponding to an innate capacity of the human brain. The next question is that language acquisition is a technique intended to simulate the environment in which children learn their native language. B. In the memorization and use of necessary vocabulary. C. Involves a systematic approach to the analysis and comprehension of grammar as well as to the memorization of vocabulary. D. Refers to the process of learning a native or second language because of the innate capacity of the human brain. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The option goes to correct. Absolutely. D. Refers to the process of learning a native or second language because of the innate capacity of human brain. The next question is that awareness raising grammar games encourage students to use learned structure to communicate with one another about a gift them. Think consciously about the structures they have learned. C. Collaborate in completing a given activity. D. Engage and feel about human relationship while the teacher control the structures. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Which option is goes to correct? The D is correct. Engage and feel about human relationship while the teacher control the structure. Next, retrieval skill is writing or organizing information while reading, listening, note making and note taking, diagramming and summarizing. And D. Abilities to do extensive reference work. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The option C is correct. Diagramming and summarizing. The next, interactional routine during speaking assessment includes a comparing two or more objects, places, events for the assessor. B. Negotiating, meaning taking turns and allowing others to take turns. And C. Describing one's school or its environs informally. And D. Telephone conversation with the another. Tell me guys. Tell me guys, which option is goes to correct? The option B is correct. Negotiating meaning taking turn and allowing others to take turn. The next question is that listening stimulus enable student to discuss a set of criteria which they prioritize to complete and present a task. B. Present input to separate groups of students who gather again to share what they listen. And C. Present an information gap activity such as giving direction. And D. Is listening to a good commentary to review it. Tell me guys, which one is correct? Which one is correct? The option is goes to correct C. Presents an information gap activity and such as giving direction. My dear visitor, please like, subscribe and also share it. Thanks for watching my video.